Cloud GPU 101, free cloud GPU for gaming. A cloud GPU is a virtual machine that has a graphics processing unit, GPU, attached to it. A GPU is a specialized hardware device that can perform parallel computations faster than a CPU. Cloud GPUs are useful for running applications that require high-performance computing, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, gaming, rendering, and more. Some of the pro tips for getting started with a cloud GPU are: choose a cloud GPU platform that suits your needs and budget. There are many cloud GPU platforms available, such as Google Cloud, Latitude.sh, Amazon SageMaker, and more. You can compare their features, pricing, and performance to find the best option for you. Check the system requirements and prerequisites for using a cloud GPU. Depending on the platform and the application, you may need to install certain software, drivers, libraries, or frameworks on your local machine or on the cloud GPU instance. You may also need to create an account, configure the security settings, and set up the billing method. Follow the instructions for launching and accessing a cloud GPU instance. Each platform has its own way of creating and connecting to a cloud GPU instance. You may need to use a web browser, a command line interface, or a graphical user interface to do so. You may also need to specify the type, size, and location of the cloud GPU instance. Some of the pro tips for using a cloud GPU are: use the cloud GPU tools and resources to optimize your application. Most cloud GPU platforms provide various tools and resources to help you run and monitor your application on the cloud GPU instance. For example, you can use the cloud GPU dashboard to view the status, usage, and performance of your cloud GPU instance. You can also use the cloud GPU documentation, tutorials, and forums to learn how to use the cloud GPU features and troubleshoot any issues. Use the cloud GPU best practices to improve your efficiency and security. There are some general best practices that you can follow to make the most of your cloud GPU experience. For example, you can use the cloud GPU storage options to save and transfer your data and files. You can also use the cloud GPU encryption and firewall options to protect your data and network. You can also use the cloud GPU scaling and load balancing options to adjust your cloud GPU capacity and performance according to your demand. Some of the features and cons of cloud GPUs are: features, access to powerful and flexible computing resources without investing in expensive hardware or infrastructure. Ability to run complex and intensive applications that require parallel processing, such as deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and more. Ability to choose from different cloud GPU platforms, types, sizes, and locations to suit your needs and budget. Cons: high cost of using cloud GPUs, especially for long-term or large-scale projects. Limited control and customization of cloud GPU hardware and software, depending on the platform and the provider. Potential latency and bandwidth issues, especially for applications that require real-time or interactive feedback. Some of the known issues and fixes of cloud GPUs are: some cloud GPU platforms may not support certain applications or frameworks. To fix this, you can either use a different platform that supports your desired application or framework, or use a compatible version or alternative of your application or framework. Some cloud GPU instances may not start or run properly due to configuration errors or compatibility issues. To fix this, you can either check the cloud GPU logs and error messages for troubleshooting, or contact the cloud GPU technical support for assistance. Some of the alternatives to cloud GPUs are: local GPUs. These are physical GPUs that you install on your own machine or device. Local GPUs offer more control and customization of your hardware and software, but they also require more investment and maintenance. Hybrid GPUs. These are combinations of local and cloud GPUs that allow you to use both types of resources for your application. Hybrid GPUs offer more flexibility and scalability, but they also require more integration and coordination. Now try out 1. Cloud GPUs, graphics processing units, Google Cloud. https://cloud.google.com/GPU